It started here, a garage, a shell of a dream made real by hands. He touched the frame like a father touches a child's first breath. They argued over volts and vision, over fear and fire. "Nobody will buy this," someone said. "That's how all revolutions begin." He didn't flinch. He just said, "If it's better, they will." The first try stumbled, but the idea stood taller. He wiped oil from his hands and smiled. It was working. The Roadster rolled out. The world held its breath. The headlines laughed. But he wasn't building applause. He opened the blueprint. They opened their minds. Steel rose. Sparks flew. A new factory for a new era. It moved without sound. The silence roared louder than any engine. Money vanished, but conviction never did. "Borrow everything," he said, "but don't stop." They slept on floors and built mornings from steel and belief. He signed away comfort to keep the mission alive. Some said sell. He said no, not now, not ever. Model S wasn't a car. It was a declaration. It passed Lamborghinis without making a sound. There were no fireworks, just tears, just truth. One number blinked, profit. For the first time, it blinked green. He pointed to rooftops. "Let's turn sunlight into freedom." Among machines, he laughed with his children. This was why. Coffee, notes, quiet grit, still building. Then the grid lit up. Tesla wasn't just a company anymore. He stood on stage. "Energy should be ours again," he said. They asked, "Are you a car company?" He smiled. On the board he wrote, "Regenerative," the new word for legacy, alone again, but never aimless. The lights dimmed, the logo rose, and a new era hummed alive.